It's okay.
I want to have
You can order whatever you want. Let me know. I will buy it.
burger.
You wanna have burger? What kind of burger do you wanna have?
I don't want French fries.
Good girl. That's great to know that you don't want French fries.
I need something else. I don't want ice cream.
You don't want, but
I don't want ice cream.
it's very cold. Avenu. So tell me, what are the things which you have ordered?
Cheese and chicken nuggets and chicken. Put the cheese. Dad, I want this chicken. This green one. That is mine.
Okay.
That is mine.
Oh, this
Hey, you cannot open it.
Avenu,
It's yours.
how's it, Avana?
Tasty. Tasty. Yes, it's my favorite. It's too yummy.
Okay.